Are you struggling with installing WebLogic in a Vagrant virtual machine? You're not alone. Many users face issues during installation, and today we're going to tackle those frustrating errors together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you follow all the steps, only to be met with error messages. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall. But don't worry, we're here to break it down. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user attempted to execute a command to install WebLogic, but encountered 3 errors. They mentioned passing all checks, including having enough swap space and temp space. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what do these errors mean? The first error indicates that the installation type wasn't specified correctly. The second error suggests there might be an issue with disk space. And the third error is related to insufficient resources. Let's explore how to resolve these issues. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can help you avoid these installation headaches in the future. To address the first error, the user needs to ensure that the install type is correctly specified in the response file. The install type must be one of the following: software only, basic, or advanced. Next, the user should check the Oracle home path in the response file. It must be correctly formatted to avoid installation errors. For the third error regarding disk space, the user should confirm that there is sufficient disk space available for the installation. This can be done by checking the available space on the target directory. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they should review the installation logs for more detailed error messages. This can provide insights into what might be going wrong. Fun fact: did you know that Vagrant was created to help developers create reproducible environments? It's a powerful tool, but sometimes it can throw us a curveball during installations. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the response file has some issues. The user provides a corrected version, emphasizing the need to set a value for decline auto updates. If set to false, additional parameters are required. They also clarify that the placeholder for secure values should be left blank if no username is provided. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests adding the option to ignore system prerequisites. This can help bypass the errors encountered during the installation. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always double-check your response files before running installations. A small typo can lead to big headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve those installation errors and get WebLogic up and running. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. And remember to check your response files.